Hello guys, so here is a simple Depin airdrop, the 3DOX 3 doors. But what you do here is that you first of all need to sign up, paste the registration link, check the registration link in the description box of this video. Paste it to your Mrs. browser because Kiwi browser is no more on Play Store. So paste it to your Kiwi browser, your Mrs. browser if you don't have a PC. Then you'll see follow. Maybe I should just paste the link here to another browser so that we can get it straight, because it's not the regular kind of Depin. Actually, you have to get the API to get started on this. So let me paste the link here, then go. So I'm just gonna allow it to load and see. So yeah, you're saying sign in with Google or enter switch or what have you. So if you are just signing up, you see sign up with Google. You select the Google option. Then later you see the what's it called? The follow X, bind X, and all of that. Then by the left, I don't want to sign in again because I've signed in again. I've signed in before. So by the left, just listen to the instruction. By the left, you see generate API. By the left, after you click on this sign in with Google, you see Twitter follow, X follow, or what have you. And by this side of the page here, you'll be seeing generate API. Click on that generate API and copy the key. They will give you some digits code, like I think like 10 or 12 about. By the left, the right hand side of the page. So if you are using Mrs. browser, just put your phone to desktop mode so that you'll be able to see it. You have to put your phone to desktop mode, like you put the browser to the desktop mode so you'll be able to see it. So by the right page here, this corner, you see generate API. Click on that generate API and copy the code. Then the middle page, you see download extension. Even from here, you can see download. You can see download extension. If I click on this download extension, it will take me to the Chrome. I already downloaded the Chrome. So for those that have not downloaded the extension, you click on that download extension and add to Chrome. Then open the extension. If you are just opening the extension for the first time, it will ask you to log in, meaning that you need that code that you copied from the API you generated just by clicking on generate API. That code that you copied, click on login from the extension. If you open the extension, this is the extension. You are seeing login because I already logged in and that's why it's not bringing it. So you are seeing login. If you click on that login, you see this code. You first of all log in, then you'll be seeing this space for code. Look at the code that I generated and it's sticking green. That's the only way you will have this connected. If your extension is not showing connected like this, then you are not earning any points. You're not earning any points. You see, get 1,000 points by following Telegram, X, and Discord. So if you've downloaded the extension, you have to copy the API code that you generated from the website, the platform, this dashboard here. You copy the API you generated, then come to the extension, open your extension, click on login, then paste the code here and click on save. Then you have this green tick, and that's how to sign up. You have this green tick. After you must have gotten this green tick, automatically you see these 3 dots connected. If it's not showing connected, then you should start afresh and do it again, because if it is not connected, you are not earning anything. So it's very simple. Just take note of the little changes, because it's kind of different with the regular Depin and all of that. The regular Depin, we don't generate code, but here the only difference is that you generate code, download the extension and save the code, then let it be connected, and that's all. Then you come in every day to check in. You see, once it's connected, you are seeing the code as well. So every day under this dashboard, you will be seeing claim daily reward. You check in every 24 hours. I've checked in for today. That is why it's not bringing the claim daily reward. The moment you click on dashboard, click on claim daily reward every 24 hours to check in and earn check-in points, apart from the automatic points that is being generated from the extension connection. So take note, you check in every day from the website here, meaning that you are holding the extension and you are having this website its own. So from the website, you check in every day, and from the extension, you make sure your extension is connected. The moment you connect it once, that's all. It's a one-time connection. As far as it's showing disconnected, then you are good. Nothing more, nothing less. As far as your this DOS is showing connected, then you don't have anything to do with the stuff again. Then take note of the connect Telegram account. You have to connect all of these accounts to earn 1,000 points. So if you connect Telegram, you connect Discord, you connect Twitter, you are earning 1,000 points for each, which makes it 3,000 points. As you can see, my current point. So this is what you do here every day. The only task here is to check in after you must have connected and follow their Discord, their social media accounts. So that is all for this 3 doors Depin airdrop. Get position, check the registration link in the description box of this video. Sign up, generate API, add it to your extension, check in every day from the from the website, and that's all. And you can choose to refer if you want to. So use a Mysten browser if you are not using a PC. Then put your Mysten browser on desktop mode so that you'll be able to see where to generate the code. It's only when you have that code and you connect it with the extension, that's when you start earning. No connection, no any of the points. So take notes. So alright guys, don't forget to sign up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Also join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.